students, I am your Subhashini teacher. Today we are going to learn about Microsoft Word 2013 for grade 3. Do you know what is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is one of the most popular word processing software. It comes as a part of the Microsoft Office package. It is used to type letters, notes, poems, stories, etc. In this chapter, we will learn to work in Microsoft Word 2013. There are so many features of word processing. First one is we can type text as well as insert pictures in a document. Then editing functions such as inserting, deleting, moving, copying characters, words or lines can be done easily. We can highlight important words or lines in bold, italic or an underline. And we can change the font as well as font color of the text in a document. And we can check the document for spellings and grammatical errors. And we can search words or parts of the words and replace them with other words. And we can easily number the pages. Finally, we can put margins in a page. Now tell me children, what are the uses of Microsoft Word? Now we will see how we can start Microsoft Word. First, you can type word in search box. Look at this picture. You can type word in search box. Next you can do, click on Microsoft Word 2013 option. See, you can click on Microsoft Word 2013 option. So, there are 8 components of words. They are quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbon, collapse the ribbon button, work area, rulers, vertical and horizontal scroll bars and status bar. See, this is quick access toolbar. This is title bar. And this is ribbon. This is collapse the ribbon button. These are vertical and horizontal scroll bars. This is work area. This is status bar. These are rulers. Now we will see how to create a new document. First, you have to click on File tab. Look at this picture. First step, click on File tab. Second step, choose New. Choose New. Next step, choose the blank document. You can choose blank document. Then enter in the text in Word. First step is left click work area. See, left click work area. Then type your text. The text appears at the position where the cursor is placed. If you want to start new paragraph, simply you can press enter key. Okay, now we will see how to select text in Word. Place the cursor before the text to be selected. See, this is the first step. Keeping the left mouse button pressed. Drag the mouse over the text to be selected. Drag the mouse over the text to be selected. So then, release the mouse button. The selected text gets highlighted. Okay, now we will see how to add the new text. First, position the cursor at the point where the new text has to be inserted. After, start typing the new text. Look at this picture. Position the cursor. After, you can type. Next, if you want to delete the text, you can use deleting key or backspace key. If you want to format text, most of the options to format text are present in the font group under the Home tab. Now we will see how to change the font. Select the text to be formatted. First step. Select the text to be formatted. Second step, click on the Home tab. Click on the Home tab. Then click on the down arrow next to the font box in the font group. See? Now you can choose desired font. See, you can choose desired font. We will see how to change the font size. First, you have to select the text to be formatted. Then, click on the Home tab. After that, click on the down arrow next to the font size box in the font group. Now, choose the desired size. Look at these pictures. Step 1. Okay. Now we will see how to change in the font color. Select the text to be formatted and then click on the Home tab. Now click on the down arrow next to the font color option in font group. Now you can choose the desired color. See? First step, second step, third step. See, font color is changed. Now we will see how to make text bold, italicized and underlined. Select the text to be formatted. Click on the Home tab. Click on the bold, italic or underline option in the font group and the selected in text changes accordingly. See? First step, second step, third step. This is a bold text and this is a italicized text and this is underlined text. Now we are moving to saving a document. Click on the File tab. Then click on the Save or Save As option. See? Click on the File tab. After that you have to click Save or Save As option. Then click on the Browse button as the dialog box appears. Where's the Browse button? Yeah, this is Browse button. Now type a name for the file in the name box. You have to type your file name in this box. Then click on the Save button. After that, you have to click on the Save button. Now we are going to see closing a document. Click on the File tab. After that, click on the Close option. It is very easy, no? See? Close option. Finally, we will see how to open an existing document. Click on the File tab. Click on the Open option. See? Click on the File tab. Click on the Open option. Select Computer option and click on the Browse button. The Open dialog box appears. See? Step 3. These are step 3. Then click to select the file to be opened. After that, click on the Open button. See? Open button. Okay, that's all for today, children. Stay safe, stay home. God bless you.